Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Agarwal. I have done my graduation in BTech from Sri Ram Sarup Memorial College of Engineering and Management. I have qualified seated junior level. I have a versatile experience of 5 years as maths teacher. Teaching is about understanding how students learn. So in QMath, my learning is extremely good. I love teaching at QMath because I feel that QMath is the manifestation of everything I've asked for in a job. So I'm proud and happy that I'm able to not only teach the students but rather bring creativity and curiosity out of them for learning new things as well as make them enjoy the classes. In trial classes, students love my teaching style. Many students share their art, sketching, drawing, etc. during the classes. That makes a special bond with them. I enjoy those 60 minutes teaching those young minds. In these creative ways and those through simulations, we are teaching maths to Indian as well as international students. So, first thing which I want to say is no need to memorize maths formulas now. Students can create formulas through basic concepts of maths. QMath is a great learning platform for higher grades. As in grade 11th and 12th, a student can have one-on-one interaction with us. This makes it easier for them to clarify their doubts with regard to any topic of a particular subject. Students are able to access their online classes from the comfort of their homes. Regular assessments are conducted by us whenever the student completes a particular chapter so that the students understand that where he is lacking in which particular point and he can solve his doubts there and then. The difference between QMON and other institutions in comparison with QMath is QMON focuses on animations, whereas QMath focuses more on simulations. QMON conduct recorded videos, whereas QMath conduct live classes. So I must say that live classes are much more beneficial than recorded videos because there and then the students can ask their doubts from the teachers. We say that we provide one-on-one classes despite taking classes in small groups as well. This is because we keep interacting and solving doubts of each and every students in small groups also. Like in small groups, if there are 2 to 3 students, one-on-one, we keep interacting with the students and we keep solving their doubts. I want to teach 11th, 12th grades so that I can explain complex ideas to them in simple ways because we know in 11th and 12th grade syllabus is very vast and it will be difficult for students to memorize each and everything. So most of the students get stressed because of their board exams. So they just focus on memorizing the topics instead of understanding